Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer documents to your laptop. The simplest method often involves a USB cable. Begin by connecting your device, such as a phone or external hard drive, directly to your laptop's USB port. Your computer should recognize it almost immediately as a new drive or device. Once connected, open the device's folder and locate your documents, then simply drag and drop them to your desired laptop folder. For wireless convenience, cloud storage is an excellent option. First, upload your documents from your source device to a service like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, ensuring they are fully synchronized. Next, open a web browser on your laptop, navigate to your chosen cloud service, and sign in. Locate the files you wish to transfer, select them, and then download them directly to your laptop with just a few clicks, making your documents accessible anywhere. Email offers a straightforward way to transfer smaller documents without cables or complex setups. Simply compose a new email on your source device and attach the documents you wish to move. Send this email to your own address. Think of it as a personal digital delivery service. Then, switch to your laptop, open your email client, and find the message you just sent. From there, downloading your attached files to your laptop storage is a quick and simple process. With DS4 Windows running and your controller active, launch Plutonium BO2. Head straight into the Game Settings menu to confirm that your controller is properly recognized. DS4 Windows makes your PlayStation 4 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller, which Plutonium BO2 natively supports. Feel free to adjust sensitivity and rebind any buttons to perfectly suit your play style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.